Take a moment. Close your eyes if you'd like. Breathe in slowly and exhale gently. This is your time, a time to pause, a time to let go. The sounds you hear now are here to help your mind unwind. Each tone, each hum gently clears the clutter of thoughts. Feel tension leaving your shoulders, your neck, your back. With every breath, you become calmer, more grounded, more present. There is no need to rush, no need to worry. Just be here. Just be now. Let the gentle sound guide you to stillness. Allow yourself to reset, to recharge, to find peace in this moment. You are safe. You are relaxed. To just be here. Just be now. You are ready to carry this calm with you into the rest of your day. Welcome to Quiet Reset Audio.